Hello everybody, I am Balram, your social science teacher present here. Today I am going to discuss about different people, different developmental goals. Let's start. Different people have different developmental goals according to their needs. For example, development of a farmer might be better irrigation system facility. Now we are going to try to understand according to your NCERT economics books, page number 4. You will find that some columns are partially filled and remaining portion try to complete the table. You can see the table on the screen. Developmental goal of different categories of person. Category of person, developmental goals, aspirations. At first, landless rural laborers. Aspirations is more days of work and better wage. Local school is able to provide quality education for their children. There is no social discrimination and they too can become leaders in the village. Next, prosperous farmers from Punjab assured a high family income through higher support price for their crops, hardworking and cheap laborers. They should be able to settle their children abroad. Developmental goal of farmers who depend only on rain for growing crops is better irrigational facilities, better production of crops. Developmental goals of a rural woman from a land owning family is getting higher education, taking part of politics. Developmental goal of urban unemployed youth is getting some job opportunities, help from the government to run his own business. Developmental goal of a boy from a rich urban family is going abroad for higher education. A girl from a rich urban family, she gets as much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. She is able to pursue her studies abroad. And next is an Adivasi from Narmada Valley. Developmental goals is no dam construction in that area, proper rehabilitation facilities if displaced. Next table is blank. Okay, so try to complete it. A driver who works under transport company, developmental goals is having his own goods carrier, fixed work and better wage. An industrialist, developmental goal of an industrialist is to get more electricity. Industrialist may want more dam or may want cheap laborers. Having filled table, let us now examine it. Do all of these persons have the same notion of development or progress? Most likely not. Each one of them seeks different things. They seek things that are most important for them, that is, what which can fulfill their aspirations or desires. In fact, at times two persons or groups of persons may seek things which are conflicting. A girl expects as much freedom and opportunity as her brother, and that he also shares in the household work. Her brother may not like this. Similarly, to get more electricity, industrialists may want more dams, but this may submerge the land and disrupt the lives of people who are displaced, such as tribals. They might resent this and may prefer small check dams or tanks to irrigate their land. So, two things are quite clear. One, different person can have different developmental goals, and two, what may be development for one may not development for the other. It may even be destructive for the other. I hope you have got your answer. If you have any queries, please write it in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in a new video with a new content. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.